Hai guys, so hari ni kita akan buat full comparison Sony ULT 1, 3 dan 5 untuk portable speaker. Satu family, each ada vibe dia sendiri. First, Sony ULT FIELD 1, the smallest in the lineup.
Compact, ringan, senang gila nak bawa ke mana-mana. But don't let the size fool you. The bass is still punchy. Perfect untuk bilik kecil, work desk, pinik kecil, or kalau you jenis suka ada music on the go.
It's really the everyday carry speaker.
Just throw inside your bag and settle.
Next, ULT FIELD 3. This is the middle child and the actual most balanced one.
Bass dia lagi padu dari FIELD 1, soundstage pun lebih luas, more clarity. Kalau you nak something yang boleh pakai dekat rumah, dalam living room or small party, FIELD 3 is just nice.
Not too big, not too small, the actual sweet spot for your home.
You can really feel the ULT power without going overboard.
Now, ULT FIELD 5, the abang besar, the powerhouse. This one yang memang untuk yang nak maximum impact. Super loud, extreme deep bass, full body vibration kind of feel. Kalau you suka buat house party, outdoor gathering, or memang jenis suka volume 90% everyday, ULT FIELD 5 memang kena dengan you. Plus dia ada lighting effect, terus dapat the party mode, no extra setup needed. Dan kalau you fikir semua ni masih tak cukup, Sony ULT TOWER 10. Ni bukan portable speaker, ni full on party system. Sound lagi besar, bass lagi dalam, sesuai untuk event, big space atau serious party setup. So, nak portable and casual, ULT FIELD 1. Nak balance everyday power, ULT FIELD 3. Not loud and party ready, ULT FIELD 5. Nak max impact, no compromise, ULT TOWER 10. Sony ULT series from portable vibe sampai full scale party, you choose the size, Sony delivers the bass and sound. Grab it with all IT Hypermarket. Bye!